Hey, this is JJ here with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Largo, Florida. A couple days ago, I was contacted by someone who saw something on Facebook and didn't even realize that I did detailing, but she told me she had this big scratch. It was right in this area right here. I cleaned it all off. It just took a little compounding and everything came out nice. She's got a couple little dents right here she might have taken care of at Cosmetics. She also had a pretty good sized scratch right down here. There's my finger. Was able to take that out, no problem. Bumper got pushed back just maybe a 1/4 inch, not a big deal there. But one thing to pick up on this little tip is sometimes you might have just a small little area that somebody needs to fix, and you can go ahead and kind of look over their vehicle and go, well, have you got any other problems? Which leads us to today's problem. So also on this vehicle, I have the step up here on the truck, and this plastic, as you can see, has come apart. It has cracked from being stepped on so many times. There's really very little. It's kind of hollow. It's got a few ridges along the bottom, but this is a 2016, I believe, so just a couple years of stepping. Here the crack has happened, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some JB Weld clear weld. She actually is going to turn this truck back in on its lease here in a few days, so she's not looking at overall long term. She just wants that unsightly crack to be fixed so she doesn't get docked for it by her leasing agreement. Anyway, I'm just going to mix some up here. I've got some gloves, a few little sticks to get the glue up into the crack, and I am going to use just a part of a stir stick. Another little tip, if you're working with glue and you're going to be doing some clamping, put a little bit of wax paper between what you're using to hold the clamp and the gluing area. You don't want to have this stick stuck should some glue come out of the seepages and cure that way. So anyway, just a little tip there for you. I hope all of you are doing great. And if you are watching this locally on Facebook, keep in mind, here I am here. It's a little sunny here. It's hot. But yes, I can take care of things. I can take care of minor things. I can take care of major things, scrapes. You might have an emblem that's loose, a little bit of trim, something like that. Just keep in mind, I am a complete detailer, and I can solve your problems, and if I can't do it, I know someone that will. I thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.